Welcome to part 2 of this 5-part video series looking at creating Revit models from point cloud data. In this part we're going to be looking at importing or inserting point cloud data into Revit.
So we have Revit 2021 open
And we're in the site view. Now I want to insert the point cloud into Revit. To do so I'm going to click on the Insert tab and then under the Link panel I'm going to choose Point Cloud. We can see that a new window has opened which will allow us to select the point cloud file. Either RCP or RCS can be opened directly into Revit. The difference between RCS and RCP is that the RCS file is an Autodesk Recap scan, which can either be an individual scan or a composite of scans exported from Recap, whereas an RCP file is a project file that groups together multiple RCS scan files.
If you have the point cloud data in a raw format such as E57, PTS, PTX, PTG, etc., then you can use Autodesk's Recap application to index the point cloud data and generate the RCP or RCS files.
For this demonstration I'm using a single RCS file which I've exported from Recap. If we come down to positioning, I want to leave my positioning to center for now. There are other options that we can choose from. You can see we have origin to origin and shared coordinates, and we will explore these options in the next video. So I leave the positioning center to center and I'm going to click open. Now you may get this warning appear. It is a known issue in Revit that we can choose to ignore. There is a model distance limit from Revit's origin, and when this limit is exceeded, this warning will appear. In this case, what we can do is use center to center for positioning, which is what we selected earlier. What Revit does when we use center to center is that if we already have a model open in Revit, then Revit will place the center of the point cloud bounding box at the center of the bounding box of the model. Now, since we don't have a model, Revit places the point cloud to the center of Revit's origin. So we're just going to click yes to continue. And now we have the point cloud. We can explore the point cloud by clicking through the views. I'm going to click 3D view to see how the point cloud looks in 3D space, and I can look around my point cloud just as we will do for Revit models. It's important to note that our point cloud at the moment is just sitting in Revit with no specific coordinates or level reference. Now, you will obviously want your data to be coordinated and on the level datum when you're sharing it with other disciplines. So in the next video, part 3 of this tutorial series, we will be looking at how to set coordinates and levels for our project. So that concludes part 2, how to insert a point cloud into Revit. Join us in part 3 where we will be demonstrating how to set up project coordinates and levels.
If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe.